Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to talk about the different ways of moving your documents around in your binder in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Dragging documents is the most obvious, but it can be a pain. It's very easy and frustrating to drop something in the wrong place, and not always easy to get things sorted. You can also use the Control key plus the relevant cursor key. Trust me that I'm using those at the moment, because you can't really see anything. I think this is probably the easiest option, but not necessarily the quickest if you have a long distance to travel. You can also right-click on a document, select Move To, and, well, you can't necessarily get a document exactly where you want it, but you'll be close. So that's 3 ways to move your documents around. There are probably more, but I think that's enough. Too many choices lead to indecision. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.